the direction angle in the y, so theta y is equal to the inverse cosine of the y component of the moment divided by the magnitude of the moment. And you got 118.4 degrees. Anybody else get that? Yeah? And then the direction angle for z is negative 1540 divided by 25.24, and you got 127.6. Okay? So what are the two ways to represent moments? Vector form, magnitude, and direction angles. Okay. And I'll ask you for which way I want. If it's not specified, you can do either one. Okay, another couple problem. So this gives you more practice. So even though we're doing a different topic, we're doing couples, which is different, we're still looking at visualizing moments in 3D. And we're using the right-hand rule to solve it. So we're having more and more practice in 3D right-hand rule. So I'm going to write it on the left side now. Do you like making up the tables? Do you like representing things in tables? Okay, so let's do a table. First column is the force, and the units that the force is in is what? Is it pounds again, or newtons? Newtons? Yeah. And we want to find the moment about the x-axis, moment about the y-axis, and the moment about the z-axis. And we're looking at Newton millimeter. We'll keep it in millimeters. So the first force is 80 newtons. 75 newtons, and 100 newtons. So to start off, looking at the 75, I'm not quite sure where I am going around. I think maybe David? David? So the 75 Newton is going in which direction?
The z direction.
So can it create a moment in the z?
No,
No. Why?
because it'd be parallel. to
Parallel. How about Chris L? The 75 Newton is going in which direction?
The z direction.
The z direction. So can it create a moment in the z?
No, it's also going to be 0.
Parallel. And Andrew, what about the 100 Newton? What direction is it going?
Pass.
Okay. Mark, the 100 Newton force, what direction is it going? X, Y, or Z?
100 is going negative y, or going in the y,
It's going in the Y, so
And,
can it create a moment in the Y?
and it's, no, it's not,
It cannot.
but it's also going in the x, too.
Can't the 80 create a moment in Z?
Wait, the 100 here is going in the Y,
And it's also going in the x.
and here it's going in the Y.
Oh, yeah, no, it's going, yeah,
Right, they're both going in the Y.
yeah, that's right.
If one was going in the Y and one was going in the X, would it be a couple? No. So they're both going in the Y. So can it create a moment in the Y?
No,
Because why?
it's parallel.
Is there parallel?
Are we sure about the 80?
Is it X? It should be X.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, good.
Testing us.
No, adjusting me. So let's go back. The 80 Newton force is, in which direction, Karen?
Is in the X.
Can it create a moment in the X?
No,
No, why?
it's parallel.
Parallel. Do that. So the 80 is in the X direction, the 75 is in the Z direction, and the 100 is in the Y direction. I'll be right back.